Hello children, today we are going to learn a beautiful poem about cats. This is Unit 3 of your English Monsoon textbook. Before starting the poem, let's discuss about the types of animals we see around us. Not all the animals can be kept as pet. Few are wild animals which we see in the forest like lion, tiger, leopard. Few are domestic animals which we see on a farm like sheep, cow, horse. And few are pet animals which we keep in our home like dog, cat, rabbit and so on. Now the question comes is, why do we keep pets? Well, pets are comforting companions. They keep us healthy and they relieve our stress by enhancing our mood. They play with us and show their unconditional love. They are also a source of exercise when we take them for walks or do other activities like feeding, bathing, playing or cleaning them. Pets are also an antidote for loneliness and will always be faithful to you. Okay children, now let's see some of the interesting facts about a cat. Cats are the most popular pets in the world. They spend about 70% of the day sleeping. They can sleep for 13 to 14 hours a day. Most cats have no eyelashes. They have flexible bodies and teeth for hunting small animals like mice and rats. A male cat is called Tom. A female cat is called Molly or Queen, while young cats are called kittens. Cats have excellent hearing, night vision and a powerful sense of smell, and they live for around 12 to 15 years. Dear children, you must have seen Tom and Jerry cartoon show. The character of Tom shows exactly how a cat behaves. Okay children, now let's read the poem Cats and understand it even better. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do, fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard, with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care, cats sleep anywhere. This is the poem written by Eleanor Farjeon. Now children, let us see the meaning of some of the difficult words. Window ledge. As you can see the picture on the top right corner of the page, the cat is sitting on the window ledge. It's a part at the bottom of the window, also called a window sill. So, did you see children? The poem clearly explains us that whether it be on a swing, in an open drawer, or even an old shoe, cats can be found sleeping blissfully in most intriguing places. When it's colder, they like a warm, cozy spot. On hot days, they might pick the bathroom sink as their favorite napping spot. They can be seen inside a wardrobe, on clean clothes, on a computer, inside bags, or on a bed. Why do you think a cat chooses these places to sleep? Well, it may be depending on the temperature, the changing seasons, or to get maximum comfort. Cats usually like small enclosed space which is quiet and private. It makes them happy, safe and contented. So children, before giving it a conclusion, let's take with us an important life skill from this poem, and that is taking care of pets. It's our sincere duty to provide clean environment, quality diet and regular visits to vet for health care of our pets. These pets have very limited needs and all they want is love, care and affection from us. So let's treat them as our family members and be their guardians rather than their owners. Hope you enjoyed the poem.